Hello everyone, I'm Prabhu here. In this video, I'm going to discuss about binary operators, within that an assignment operators and other special operators. Let us first discuss what is meant by assignment operators. An assignment operators are used to assign a value to a variable. The left side of the operand of the assignment operator is a variable and the right side operand of the assignment operator is a value. So the right side value will be assigned to the left side variable. So in assignment operators, the value on the right side must of the same data type of the left side variable. So then only a compatibility will be there in a value what we are assigning and the value where it is stored. So usually the right side a value will be present, that value will be stored in a left side variable. So therefore where we want to store that information, that particular memory location should be same type of the value. Then only a successfully assignment operation will be performed. Otherwise, a compiler will raise an error. There are different types of the assignment operators. So we can write in different ways. Let us discuss one by one. So the first one is simple assignment operator. So here the value which is present in B is assigned to A. And same as, so if we write A equal to B, then the operation will be performed in this way, that is the content of B is transferred to A. So this is a shorthand assignment operator. So here we write A plus equal to B. So before the result is assigned to A, the addition operation will be performed. The content of A is added to B and result will be transferred to A. So in this case, first it will perform a subtraction operation between A and B and result is assigned to A. Similarly, in this assignment operator, the multiplication will be performed between A and B and result will be stored in A and so on. At last, so this is a modulus operator. So in this case, a remainder between A and B. So A is divided by B and whatever the remainder is, that will be stored in A. So either we can use these shortcut assignment operators or we can use this simple assignment operators in a C program. So it depends upon the programmer how he is going to write a program. But just we have to remember in this scenario is how an operation will be performed. In all these cases, first an operation will be performed, arithmetic operation will be performed and result will be immediately assigned to the destination variable. So now let us discuss about some other special operators. So besides many operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, and arithmetic operators, we have a few important operators. So they are size of operator, ampersand, this is called as ampersand, this is asterisk, and this is called as ternary operator. So let us look at these operators and understand what is the significance of these operators. So first let us understand what is meant by size of operator. The size of operator return the size of a variable. If you wanted to know what is the size of the variable, what is how much memory has been allocated for that particular identifier or variable, so that is retrieved by using this particular operator. So the size of operator will return the size of the memory which is allocated for the variable. So this is written in this way. Assume we have a identifier by name A, and I want to know what is the size of A. So then what we can do, we can pass A within these parentheses with this particular operator. So this operator will return an integer value, so which is nothing but the size of the memory location A. Similarly, you can know the size of any type of the identifier. We have different types of identifiers in C program. Let us name those: integer type, floating type, double type, and character type. Even we have a string type of the data. So if you wanted to know what is the memory, how much memory which is allocated for these particular data types, we will use size of operator. And we have ampersand operator. So this will return the address of the variable. So every variable will be assigned to a memory location. Every memory location will be having an address. So if you wanted to access address of the memory location, then we will use AND operator. So here the ampersand of A will return the address of the memory location where it is named as A. And we have asterisk operator. So this asterisk operator will be used to create a pointer variables. At last we have a conditional operator. So this conditional operator is used in many situations to return true and false value, depends upon the evaluation of the expression. So let us go in deep, and we shall take few examples to understand this conditional expression. So the conditional expression is also called as a ternary operator. So here it will take three values, and depends upon the expression evaluation, a result will be returned. So let us understand what is the syntax of ternary operator. So here it will take three inputs. So that is expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3. So three operands it will take. So this particular operator is applied on three operands. So therefore it is called as ternary operator. So here the evaluation of this expression is true. Suppose if the evaluation of this expression is true, then this value will be returned, otherwise this will be returned. Okay, and final result will be stored in a variable, that is destination variable, right? So first this particular expression will be evaluated. The result of this evaluation is suppose true, then the expression 2 will be stored in a destination variable, otherwise expression 3 value will be stored in a destination variable. So this is a beauty of a ternary operator. So let us understand how it is going to perform the operation. So assume I have taken two variables here, that is A and B, and I'm storing 11 in A variable, 20 in B variable. So I want to check which variable is greater here out of these two. So for that I write expression A greater than B by using a ternary operator. I write A greater than B, I put a question mark. So here I write A colon B here. So this is expression 1 and this is expression 2. So if this condition is true, then A will be stored in X, otherwise B will be stored in X. Okay, so in X variable we will be having a variable content, which one is a greater. So let us uh, write one more example. I want to print whether A is greater or B is greater. I don't know which one is bigger here. So for that I use a ternary operator here. So I have taken two variables here, that is A and B, and I'm storing 13A, 20B. This is a expression, condition expression. If this expression is true, then this is going to print on the screen. If it is false, then this particular expression will be displayed on the screen. So what is the value of A? 30. 30 is greater than 20. Yes, condition is what? True. So therefore, this particular expression will be displayed on the screen. So this is called as ternary operator. So now the time for summarization. So in this video, we have discussed about assignment operators and special operators. In assignment operator, we have a simple assignment operator and we have a shorthand assignment operator. In simple assignment operator, directly a value will be assigned to the variable. In shorthand assignment operator, an operation will be performed, arithmetic operation will be performed, and result will be immediately stored in a destination variable. So special operators are nothing but uh, so we have size of operator to find the size of the data. We have ampersand to access the address of the data. Asterisk is used to create a pointer variable, and finally we have a ternary operator, so which is used for three operands. Thank you for watching this video.